So S3 equal to Python is very simple language. So I found is Python is in their string present and not present. So how to check it? Print Python is Python in X. So that is the only identity operator in S3. So result is true. Python is already in there given the strings, and only I want to one characters. So T is given. If I say if both two types of string, so simple Python and Python is denoting Python. Okay, so two results are more Python and check it. Python is true. अब which type of which या which किस टाइप की उसने स्ट्रिंग ली है आपसे दिस इज पाइथन या ओनली वो पाइथन विच टाइप ऑफ पाइथन तो हाउ टू चेक इट सो चेक इट ओनली लेंथ ऑपरेटर दैट इज यूज टू अहेड आगे की ओर मैं पढ़ाऊंगा जिसमें पाइथन हाउ टू चेक इट योर स्ट्रिंग विच इंडेक्सिंग विच परफॉर्म टू इंडेक्सिंग सो अगर प्रिंट तो S3 so 37 keywords okay 37 keywords if I want to check what is the length of strings okay so okay this is a if you want to check return true if the object present in the specified collections not in return true if the given object not present in the specific collection so if I check pythons this is false result so I have given the result not in ठीक है only two operators are very easy not in and not in and in oh this is a membership operator and this is a identity operator are two types this is and not ठीक है this is done your operators same list so you call it only list dictionary set and tuples are used in this case membership operators given the list is given in the this is this is characters is present in the list or not so that is membership operator to check it okay so your done is operators special operators and operators. So any doubt special operators?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Uh, Suvik, done?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. So your operators is done. So six six fundamental six modules है, that is input and output statements. You know input is output statement. What is input and output statements? You already know. So input statements is okay. Which mean Fayaz and Krishna. Uh, you have done this result. Uh,
No, sir. Today I did not expect class I have or no. So I did not finish homework.
okay. Go on.
Today, give again. I will do it, sir.
Okay, sir. You will try, and
Okay, sir.
if you if you've not done it, I will try. I will teach you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So special operator is done, and this is a input and output statements. Reading dynamic input from the keyboard. Reading dynamic input from the keyboard. So that is input and output statements. So in Python 2, the following two functions are available to read dynamic input from the keyboard: raw input and input. So raw input only use your 2.0. So 2 version is earlier. So 2.0 is a old version. So latest version 3.0. So that is used only input functions. So फिर भी basically raw input is definition is raw input. This function always reads the data from the keyboard in the form of string format. We have to convert the string type to our required type by using the corresponding type casting methods. So this is means x row input, enter the first number, x print of x. So it is always print str type only for any input type. So that only this output put 2.0 versions. If I say go through the enter row input, x is row input, numbers, enter the first number, and this is a error because 3.0 Python version 3.0 not support raw input, only support this is input. So go through run, enter the number. So only input are stable in 2.3.0, 3.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 point, up to 3.9.1. So this is row input only 2 points. So earlier version is stop. So if you want to 3 point version, only input version input. So not at all. Only input is a input functions can be used to read data directly in your required format. We are not required to type casting. Pattern type casting means perform type casting. Perform. Okay. So input enter any value type of x. Only if you given 10 So this is only default type is string. If you want enter 10.1, so default only string. So be always only input there are enter value if you want typecasting. So that is if I say okay note, but in Python 3 we have only input method and raw input method is not available. Done. Python 3 input functions behavior exactly same as raw input method of 2.2.0, early version 2.12 up to every input value is treated as a str type only. So any value so treat only string value. Okay. So if I check it, uh, so x input the any number. So if I try 1 2 and print of type of x, so result is class str. If I say enter one floating value and print type of x, so what a type of str, only str, any value type only default by str string type. So if I say floating and boolean value true, true, this type is print of type of x only str. So that means every input value is treated as str type only. So if I say I want to only two number check in users, so go through typecasting. So how to type casting? So I will example go through n1 equal to input, enter the uh, first number. Okay, this is a command line. So I will show you PyCharm. Okay, many result different type of value, different of same. They write a program to read two numbers keyboard print sum. So x input enter the first number by put enter the second numbers, enter the second number. So int x, so typecasting convert str, many default value only string, so str convert to integers. X is a convert integer, so I variable to convert I assign to I variable, and y is convert integer, so assigned to j. So z, j plus I plus j equal to the sum of two numbers equal to z. So this is result of typecasting. So result is okay. Fayaz Krishna Sobik, my timing was 10 minutes only, remaining 10 minutes. So after this 10 minutes, window is closed. So you disconnect. So after try again, same link. So click
Okay,
there
sir.
and attend the class. Okay. This is the time remaining meeting time only. Only this is recording only 45 minutes. Okay. So
Okay,
again
sir.
I can connect you. Okay. So this is a very complex. Okay. Yeah. So visible na my screen visible. This is PyCharm.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So num1 equal to uh, input, enter the first number. This is same copy, paste. Enter the second number. Second number. So okay, x equal to, because typecasting. So int of num1 and y equal to int of num2. So z equal to x plus y and print the sum of two numbers and z. Run this code. So space, so 12 and 24. This result is sum of two numbers in 36. Okay, but this is a complex. Is a if our first is num input, enter the first number, input the enter second number. This is a typecasting. So only typecasting was define a variables. So declare a variables. So automatically convert to typecasting. So how will I will see you. Okay, this. So int, there is already typecasting. So this declared only int. So print two numbers comma num1 plus num2. सेम रिजल्ट ना. Understand how to build type, how to get to type casting, how to
Yes,
use
yes, sir.
typecasting. Done ना. So number
Yeah.
one, number two, and फिर after the int num1 and int num2, after this typecasting, फिर the adding and the call the variables z. So already I have to define a variable and enter a value. So default a int. So default a typecasting and into num2 integer input is a second number. So defined already sum of two numbers. So this is typecasting. Get it? सोविक.
Yes, sir.
देखो इसमें कुछ नहीं होता कि
Yes,
आप
sir. But
देखो सोविक इसमें कुछ नहीं होता कि आप टाइप कास्टिंग करते हो ना. जैसे क्या आपकी जो CMD है ना वो बाय डिफॉल्ट कमांड लाइन आर्गुमेंट क्या करता है, बाय डिफॉल्ट आपकी हर वैल्यू को स्ट्रिंग लेता है. अब स्ट्रिंग को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमें इंटीजर या फ्लोट वगैरह कुछ भी कन्वर्ट करना है तो हमें टाइप कास्टिंग करना पड़ेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दैट इज आई वांट टू फ्लोट. सो फ्लोट. Float. So num1 and num2 1.22 and 2.55. So result is 4.77. If I say float and int, so what is the result? So 1.23 and 4.55. Result is invalid because first is first is float. So first is float is right, but second is always int. So but default is value is float. So type value error. So invalid literal for int with base 10, but because base float. So your code is terminated. So if I say example one more, 12.45 double four. Second number is integer only. So result is 18.439999888898 is minimum. Okay,
yes, sir.
done na? Okay, okay. If I say only one line, so because his internet is disconnected few seconds. So after reconnected, same link. Okay, if
Okay, sir.
disconnected.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So if you want to only one line, that result. So this is enter. This is one line. So 12 plus 30 is equal to the sum of 13. This is a one line argument. The one line code. The sum of int input enter the first number and second is int input and second numbers and